Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of a different scene here, but I wanted to jump on, say happy holidays to everyone out there, all of the subscribers. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I wanted to give you some updates on the Options Insider, as well as on the Discord chat that I've worked very hard on in 2020. So starting January 1st, the Options Insider is going to be $5 a month. But if you join from today until January 1st, I'm giving you a discount. I'm going to have it be $3 a month, and that price will be locked in for as long as you're subscribed. The Options Insider has about 1,000 people in it right now. All of you guys have really helped me beta test this, make this newsletter better, especially for the people that work a 9-to-5 job that want to get updated on what's going on in the market. So if you joined it already, thank you so much for the feedback. If you want to join it into the future, into 2021, if you join now, it'll be $3 a month. If you join later, it'll be $5 a month, and there will be no price increases for that. It will always be a $5 a month daily newsletter giving you market news, some plays that I'm watching, some unusual options activity, and I hope in the future we can continue to make this better and better. So as for the Discord chat, which is a little bit more advanced for a trader that really wants to dive in and learn options trading, really start to get some plays, learn from other individuals, right now until January 1st, I'm going to be doing 50% off your first month. So right now, it's a $40 a month charge to join the Discord, and until January 1st, you'll get that first month for $20 a month. This is the first time I'm offering a discount on the Discord chat. This is most likely the last time because I don't like to advertise it in a way to try to get people to join just because there's a discount. I want you to join because you really want it, because you really want to learn about options trading. I'm not trying to advertise this and push this, by limiting the price or by cutting the price in half. This is most likely going to be the only discount that you see in 2021. So if you've been waiting to join the Discord chat, this is a great time to do it with the 50% off the first month. I hope you guys can come see it, come check it out. If you don't like it, you can cancel at any time. So if you guys want to take advantage of the Discord chat half off, you'll see the promo code in the first link down below. And if you want to take advantage of the Options Insider, that's going to be the second link in the description below. That's going to be all for today's video. I'm going to go ahead, take a few days, forget about the stock market, spend some time with family and friends. That's really what's most important this time of year. If you want to stay tuned for some future option trading videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell notification so you know every single time that I post. Thank you guys so much for the support this year. We're just about at 16,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. I could have never imagined this type of growth in just about 8 to 9 months. So once again, guys, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you in the video on Wednesday. Peace.